Hello viewers, welcome to British and American English and IELTS Teaching, Training, Test and Research Academy by International Bangladesh. This is Int'l, Professor of English and Chairman of British Language Club and IDP IELTS Kajla Rajshahi Center and BAETTA International Bangladesh Red Gate Motihar Rajshahi Campus. As a part of our ELT and TESOL programs, this video is one English Language Diploma Certificate ELDC course and English Language Graduation Certificate ELDC course on International Proficiency in English as a Foreign Language EFL and English as a Second Language ESL course code 5A101 Introduction to English Literature and World Literature and Overview of British Literary Period Part 2. In this part, I will speak about Middle English period. So, this video is definitely going to be very important, helpful and beneficial to you. Let's begin. The Middle English period 1066 to 1500. The Middle English period sees a huge transition in the language, culture and lifestyle of England and results in what we can recognize today as a form of modern recognizable English. The era extends to around 1066 to 1500. As with the Old English period, much of the Middle English writings were religious in nature. However, from about 1350 onwards, secular literature began to rise. This period is home to the likes of Chaucer, Thomas Mallory, and Robert Henryson. Notable works include Piers Plowman and Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, Hemlock, the Dane, and Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. Major writers and their works. John Wycliffe 1324 to 1384, the father of English prose, translations of the Bible in English prose. Geoffrey Chaucer 1340 to 1400, Troilus and Cressida 1387, Canterbury Tales 1385 to 1400, William Langland, Piers Plowman 1392, John Gower 1325 to 1400, Jerwait, Confession Amantis, Sir Thomas Mallory 1469 to 1470, Le Morte d'Arthur. What are the main features of Middle English literature? There are three main categories of Middle English literature. Number 1, religious. Number 2, country love. And number 3, Arthurian. Though much of Geoffrey Chaucer's work stands outside these. Other outstanding features are impersonality or anonymity, derivative stories, religiosity, oral quality, country love, chivalry, romance, infraliterary, etc. Guys, in my next video on British literary period, I will speak about the Renaissance period 1500 to 1660 in detail. To speak English fluently like a native with international standard and get IELTS 8+ score, you are most welcome to join British Language Club, IDP IELTS and BAETTA International Bangladesh. We maintain international standard in teaching English and IELTS here. Thanks for hearing me. Admission going on.